Number 1. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner. Like suede, canvas requires that perfect cleaner, something strong enough to remove dirt but gentle enough not to stain the fabric. The Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner checks these boxes and more. It's an all-in-one shoe cleaner concocted from saddle soap, gentle oils, and premium conditioners. This product will polish all washable leathers, vinyl, nubuck, suede, canvas, and cloth shoes. And due to its non-toxic formula, Pink can also be used to clean various household items like rugs, armchairs, couches, and more. After your shoes have been fully lathered, use a cloth to wipe away excess soap or water. Number 2. Markk Essential Premium Shoe Cleaner. Keeping your shoes clean doesn't have to take a ton of harsh chemicals. This cleaner from Markk is 98.3% natural and 100% biodegradable, but it still gets to the job done and done extremely well, according to hundreds of customers. While it's a bit on the pricier side, you don't need a lot of it, and this 4-ounce bottle will clean up to 100 pairs of shoes. It also comes with a soft, bristle cleaning brush that can be used on most fabrics including leather, suede, nylon, and cotton mesh. Number 3. Mr. Clean 8-Count. White sneakers are some of the hardest shoes to keep clean. If you have a canvas pair like Chuck Taylor's or Keds, you can treat them with a stain solution and put them in the washing machine. For those who have white leather sneakers or just want to clean the white rubber around the bottom of the shoe, the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser will work wonders. Just dampen the eraser and rub off on the dirty scuff marks. You'll be amazed at how fast and efficient this eraser really is. Number 4. Crep Protect Unisex Crep Protect Wipes. You never know when you're going to scuff your kicks or find out you've stepped in something that's left a mark. With these shoe cleaning wipes from Crep, you'll always be ready to kick those marks to the curb. They're individually wrapped, so they're great for keeping in your gym bag, purse or wallet, and they work on most types of shoes, including leather, canvas, nylon, and vinyl. One side of the wipes is smooth and one is textured for tougher stains. They love how easy they are to use without the fuss of a brush and cleaner. Number 5. Shoe Cleaner Kit. To put new life in sneakers, hundreds of customers swear by ShoeAnew. This bundle comes with everything you need to take sneakers from dirty and drab to fresh and fab. Not only does it bring shoes back to their original shade, but it also contains ingredients to prevent future discolorations. You don't need much of this concentrated liquid. One 8-ounce bottle can clean up to 60 pairs of shoes. A microfiber cloth and brush are included too to get the job done. Customers say it's easy to use, and they can't believe the difference it makes in their shoes.